if your skincare product isn't working, it might probably you are using skincare products that are meant for other skin types. In this video, I am going to show you how you can build your skincare routine step by step that suits your skin type, and I'm also going to take you through how you are going to test for your skin type. Many people copy skincare routines from online without knowing their skin type, which might be some of the reasons you keep getting issues when you are using your skincare product. When you use the wrong product, you will either see no results or your skin will become worse. Before you buy any skincare product, the first step is for you to know your skin type, and I'm going to take you through this video on how to test your skin type at home. The first step you take is get a very good gentle cleanser, wash your face and leave your face for 30 minutes without applying any product on your face. After that 30 minutes, if your skin feels tight and freaky, you have a dry skin, after washing your face and there is oil all over your face, you have an oily skin, and if there's oil around your T-zone area, you have a combination skin. If you feel breakouts all over your face, you have an acne prone skin. If you feel burns, itchiness on your face, you have a sensitive skin type. If after doing the test your face feels okay, there's no oil, your face still looks normal without drying, no itchiness, no oil, you have a normal skin type. Skincare product you should be looking out for after you know your skin type. If you have an acne prone skin, in the morning you need a very good gentle cleanser, and then you need a toner. After cleansing or washing your face, you use your toner. After the toner, you use a serum that contains salicylic acid. You go ahead and use a very lightweight moisturizer after and seal in with your sunscreen for morning. In the evening, you need a very good gentle cleanser. You need your toner, you need your treatment serum or your treatment product, and use a moisturizer. If you are a dry skin, you need a hydrating toner that contains glycerin. You need ingredients that will help to build your skin, draw moisture onto your skin and hydrate your skin so that your face will not feel freaky or your skin will not be freaky. And after that, you need a serum. You need a very good serum, and you go ahead and use a rich moisturizer. You seal in with your sunscreen as a dry skin. In the evening, you need a very good hydrating cleanser. You need a hydrating toner. So you can use your serum and then a rich moisturizer, that is in the evening. You can go on with your cleanser if you are tired in the evening, but it shouldn't be every day. Then you go in with your moisturizer. You can pair the cleanser with the toner, then you go in with your moisturizer. But if you are very tired, you can just do the cleanser and then the moisturizer. That is in the evening. Once in a while, it shouldn't be an everyday thing. Combination skin, you need a very good gentle cleanser, a good gentle toner, you need your balancing serum, your very good moisturizer, fill in with your sunscreen. That is for a combination skin. And then in the evening, go ahead with your very gentle cleanser for the combination skin, your gentle toner with your balancing serum, because you have oil around your T-zone area, so you want ingredient that can help control the oil. You can go in for a niacinamide serum or a vitamin C serum, which also contains niacinamide, hyaluronic acid, and it will also help to treat dark spots and hyperpigmentation. If you are a normal skin type, you need a gentle cleanser, you need a gentle toner, you need a very good serum, which I said, so as a normal skin type. You can also use a toner that contains niacinamide, vitamin C serum, which is very good for the skin, good moisturizer. You can use a rich oil lightweight moisturizer as a normal skin type. Seal in with your sunscreen. In the evening, you need your gentle cleanser, you need your gentle toner, you need a very good serum, use your moisturizer. With a sensitive skin, you need a gentle cleanser. As a sensitive skin, you need a smoothing toner, which contains hyaluronic. Hyaluronic is good for sensitive skin. You can go in for rice toner, smoothing ingredients for your skin. You can use aloe vera based products that are not harsh for your skin. Okay, even if you are a sensitive skin and you are breaking out and you want to use a salicylic acid, it should not be an everyday thing. Or you should look out for smoothing ingredients like aloe vera, glycerin, gentle ingredients in the product before you use on your skin so that your skin will not get burns. You need your moisturizer, and then you need your sunscreen. That is for the morning. In the evening, you go in also with your gentle cleanser, you go in with your smoothing toner, you go in with a very good serum, then you go ahead and use your moisturizer for the evening. The simple skincare routines works better than a complicated skincare routine. If you go and buy 10 skincare products that you do not know your skin and it's too complicated for you, you will not see results. You have thrown your money away and you are not going to see any improvement for using 10 products. So a simple skincare routine is best recommended for any skin type. You should also avoid using too many active ingredients in one product or active group. A lot of people are fond of mixing different products, different formulated products in one to use, which is a very bad habit. Avoid mixing random skincare products in one to use for your skin. It's not a good habit. If you want a very clear skin, never skip sunscreen. Sunscreen is very important in your skincare routine. Please, if this video helped you, like, subscribe, share, and turn on your post notification. If you want any further recommendations or you want more insight into any skin type or any topic, kindly click the link under the description. Thank you for watching and see you in our next video.